Hello, my name is Peter Stepanski, and in this video we'll be going over assignment 0602 or the Surfer CDM. So here's the code, and we can just run it, and then type in main to run the actual function. And then just for the sake of time, let's say we want to surf through 12 pages. So then it's going to take a while to surf through them, and then here you go. And then as you can see here, this file pops up, and when we open it, it gives a list of all the 25 most common words with and having the most with 423. Okay, so now, so the way I extended the HTML parser was I created a custom class called Tiny Parser that extends Python's built-in HTML parser. I overrode the init function just so that it could have everything it normally has plus these flags. And then I also overrode handle start tag, handle end tag, and handle data. This essentially allowed me to collect all the visible text while ignoring all the everything that's going on inside, such as script or style tags, and then just to grab all the links on each page with the anchor tags. And then it helped me to just crawl through everything and help me analyze all the stuff I actually wanted to analyze. Okay, so then how did I restrict your search on web pages and checked if the cap was reached? Okay, so for this, I use the helper function is CDM link. So then this helped me essentially check if it was a CDM link. If it was a CDM link, with cdm.depaul.edu or anything else, it kind of passed and then went into the queue. And then when it came to the cap, I had everything set to 100. And then if they went higher, then I would just say defaulting to 100. Or if they did anything else, I would just default to 100 and make it a cap. And then I used visited pages to see if I visited those pages, and then help me just essentially go through all the visiting pages and make sure I reach the amount. And then how did you count the words, and how did you find the highest words? So once I counted the words and collected it, I converted it all to lowercase. And let me see if I can find it. So I converted everything into lowercase, and then I store the count in a dictionary. And once it was done crawling, I counted all the words and then put it in descending order, and that way I took the top 25 and then I wrote onto the file so that it could write it on. All right, thank you.